what we can do, we can try to start this as our, let's say, intro. We can, but we don't have to. You see, you will have the same. You will have, okay, maybe I will put it on the intro, and then you'll think, maybe not. Maybe some other melody will be better. Maybe something totally different will be better for the intro. What I do for the intros, I'm mostly in my old productions, I'm making intros later. I'm not making tracks from the intro and then I'm going further. So we will turn it off, and I will start with some acid sound. Okay, so for now we have this on. I will start with, when we're gonna start my track, I will start just on the very basic pattern in the bass. I will check what I have just before we start. Okay, it's very nice, but I think we have to put a little bit more delay. And equal loudness. So now I put a little bit more dry wet on the echo, a little bit more feedback. I cut it low frequencies. I add some little bit of reverb, and now the sound is much better. I think we're gonna start with this melody, but let me check all the others. We're gonna start with this. Okay, so look what I'm gonna do. Now I will just play with these clips. Okay, let's start by recording. Okay, if you're gonna record, make sure you have these two icons engaged, so you will be sure that you recording everything what you're gonna tweak on your MIDI controller. So also when you're gonna make the same way arrangement like me, so preparing everything before in session view, then recording into arrangement, make sure you have some nice or just simple MIDI controller so you can tweak by your knobs in your MIDI controller. All right, so let me start, and what I'm gonna do, I will click here, and then I will play with recording, so it will start recording in this area, and then I will have space for my intro or some other addition. Okay, so I will put acid down, you see, down, because I don't want to play it very directly, and all the instruments or the percussions except crash are off. Okay, let's go. Let's try and we'll see. All right. So look, now we have recorded this, yeah. And here in this section, we have actually reverse crash, but we can use also our white noise, but we will just do like this, and we will have very nice effects of elevator white noise sound. Okay, so what I did, because I just fill it, I just record some more automation with my Phocion. So I just change some envelope attack, envelope mode,